will compare Buldak Ramen and Mi Goreng Ramen. This is Buldak Ramen. This is Mi Goreng Ramen. I will use pork belly to make Buldak Ramen deliciously. For the best taste of Mi Goreng Ramen, I will use king shrimp. Let's make one and compare. Who is the winner? First, Korea is a country famous for spicy food. These days, Korea's very spicy Buldak Ramen is popular in many countries around the world. Buldak Ramen mukbang is also popular on YouTube. It became a hot topic in Denmark because it was so spicy that the government banned it. Let's make it a little more delicious today. Second, Mee Goreng is a traditional Indonesian fried egg noodle dish. Mee Goreng Ramen is an instant version of Mee Goreng and is a convenience food loved all over the world. It's cheap but has pretty good taste. Kecap manis, a sweet soy sauce type sauce, is the key to the taste of Mee Goreng. It is a completely different sauce from tomato ketchup. Today, I will focus on bringing out its unique taste by frying it myself like the original Mee Goreng. Let's compare Buldak Ramen and Mi Goreng Ramen. It has been far ahead in terms of public awareness over the past 5 years. Based on Amazon.com, the price for Buldak Ramen is $3 and Mi Goreng Ramen is 70 cents. However, because the quantity of Mi Goreng Ramen is small, the converted price compared to the weight of Buldak Ramen is $1.30. Cooking time is about 3 minutes. Cooking difficulty is also very easy. Let's take a look. Let's make Korean Buldak Ramen. Fry pork belly that is about half an inch thick in a pan. Koreans actually eat a lot of pork belly. Koreans often eat pork with spicy food, so it goes well with Buldak Ramen. You have to cook pork belly until it's cooked until it's deep colored. When it's cooked, cut it into bite-sized pieces. For Mee Goreng Ramen, it's best to use a wok in the traditional way. Fry shrimp in a wok with oil. Stir-fried noodles and shrimp go so well together. Turn it over a few times and it'll cook quickly. Boil Buldak Ramen for 4 minutes. Rinse immediately in a strainer, remove moisture, and add chili oil. The unique spicy taste adds flavor. Put in the basic sauce and mix well to finish cooking. Set up lettuce and pork belly together to finish preparation. Boil the Mee Goreng Ramen for 1 minute. Drain in a strainer. Put the eggs in the wok and mix when they are about 70% cooked. Do not mix right away for the texture. Add the prepared noodles and stir fry. Add the basic sauce, kecap manis, oil, MSG, and red pepper powder. Add soy sauce as recommended. Add the bean sprouts and stir fry to prepare. The stir-fried shrimp and noodles look so delicious. I will try Buldak Ramen first. Put noodles on lettuce and add pork belly too. The lettuce neutralizes the spiciness and adds the rich taste of pork belly. Feeling the spicy sensation is no joke. Let's try Mi Goreng Ramen. The taste of fire is felt first. I love the powerful flavor of the shrimp and the savory flavor of the noodles. Let's analyze the taste. Buldak Ramen received high scores for its rich flavor and texture. Mee Goreng Ramen received high scores for aroma and umami. If you can't handle the spicy taste of Buldak Ramen, be sure to eat it wrapped in lettuce. Today's winner is Buldak Ramen's victory. Let's see the score. Buldak Ramen has 93 points and Mee Goreng Ramen has 90 points. Make it once and eat it. It's easy to make, but very delicious. The next episode is a battle between pasta and pho. Look at this! Mango pasta from Italy and pho from Vietnam. There are really delicious dishes. Go see the next episode. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons so that more people can see it.